All these Shogun painted bits are here. It's a pretty unorthodox way of doing a reveal, but I had to show this to you guys in light. Look at the quality of work. This is one reason why I prefer paint over powder coating. Look at this one. This was all rusted, pretty knackered. This all looks brand new. This is the footrest. Special attention to this. I forgot to get this painted. Probably I'll drop it in tomorrow. And this, just look at the quality. Chain cover. The engine was, the cylinder was painted matte black. Again, I didn't want them to put putty and then paint it, because anyways once it heats up it will all flake out. So I was more interested on the fins getting painted correctly, because that is what is visible when you see it. Like this, it doesn't look that bad from a distance, and again you cannot get this painted, so that would be a wasted effort. Chain cover, the T-stem, then those things, the headlight stay / holder. This is the Apache T-stem that came along with the Apache fork. So if any folks need this, please comment below. You can give this away. I don't want it. Okay, then there are some other stuff which I kept here. So this is the head, same treatment as the cylinder. I've kept some more bits here. So look at the quality of that. It's a thick layer of paint and clear, so this stays for long. Just to show you, just see the quality. So I'm anyway satisfied. I also got the rotor inner bit painted, focus. Okay, so that's it guys. Let me put all this in my storage space. There was a little bit of paint reaction here, so that's why it's a bit crinkled, so but it looks okay otherwise. And the other side here is where we boxed the chassis. It was missing this part, so it all looks nice now. I have to drill a hole here to put the brake switch. Rest everything looks awesome. Can't wait for next week to arrive to start the assembly. In the meantime, I have to go get the wheels done. I'm hoping to get it done tomorrow. I'll leave it, hopefully, and then get it done before we start the assembly. Alright guys, thanks a lot. That was a quick one. And then some more bits are pending, so once they also are out, then we'll do the assembly. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.